How to save audio files from WhatsApp in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can save WhatsApp audio files in your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Have you guys ever wondered where your audio files can be saved on your iPhone? Since videos and photos are directly saved to galleries, where do audio files get saved? The answer is really simple. Your audio files get saved in this file app right here. Now to save them there, what you'll need to do is long press on your audio file, then tap on forward. Then on the bottom right, you'll find this share icon, tap on that. Then what you'll need to do is there you'll find an option called save to files. Tap on that and now select the file location where you want to save this. Then tap on save. After you do that, your audio file will get saved. Now you can check that out from here, and there you go. And that's basically how you save audio files from WhatsApp in iPhone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.